Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? What come after the thunderstorm today? Stay tuned. Come with us.
I gotta put my glasses on.
Look like we have a baby bison. Oh my goodness! First baby bison. So today is June 30th, 2026. It's been 3 years that we have this bison. And they finally produced.
Alright, we got all the bison protecting the baby. We got a baby. Look, look at what 7's doing. Look how she's standing.
Yeah.
This is 6, you got a baby! You got a baby in a storm! Oh my goodness!
Storm day. And we got this little one right here. Hi!
Wanna get closer?
That's not good. Look, that's first baby. He just went and checked in.
Okay,
I don't know how to do
right?